Welcome back to As City Hot, and we still discuss the topic As City Hot. We discuss all the things when we say we chook mouth on top this week from the election wey happen for 29 governorship election wey happen for 29 out of the 36 states, and the House of Representatives elections wey happen for all the states for inside our obodo Nigeria. We also discuss the Chibok girls when we say Boko Haram Jaguda people go government girls secondary school for inside Chibok, go pake all of them for the 14th of April 2014. We also discuss the victory when we say the Supreme Court carry give Governor Ayodele Fayose, and finally the one when we say the president-elect Oga Muhammadu Buhari don talk say anybody wey wan work with am for government must come and talk say see how much I get before he sit down for the chair and see how much I get after he sit down for the chair. I go still insist and emphasize on that particular point.
That's what.
And I go still dey talk am because a lot of Nigerians don dey talk this thing o.
Say wetin, say wetin.
Many of the promises when we say when campaign dey sweet, people dey use their mouth, they talk mouth dey draw. Say e come be like say they don dey go back on the thing now.
Wetin and wetin they don go back on? They don enter government to talk say they no go do this one, they no go do that one.
You say wetin? Thank you very much. The talk about reducing the dollar and the naira. The dollar as against the naira. Wetin we don dey hear now?
Wait.
No, excuse me.
Waiting bring up that issue in the first place.
You say waiting?
Yes. You want to talk, no talk.
No be talk to sweet Nigerians during campaign.
When he talk,
he no explain what he go do. He no break the thing down. He just come and talk.
Talk when he talk.
Engineer Gani,
what are you saying?
All these things when they talk, we go for this show, we go talk.
Talk when he talk. No, they call talk, say talk when what you know say not talk about.
We don't. Now you shout the portion engineer Gani now. You shout the portion engineer Gani.
Talk when he talk.
I go show you for talk.
I go show you my own. What are you saying? No, he dey come out cap for me. He dey come out cap for me. Show me, let me see.
Okay, collect your cap. Shebi you want collect the cap. Collect your cap. I've left you capless.
Look.
Collect the cap.
Respect yourself.
No, collect am.
Return that cap, that hat where in dey.
Take it by force.
Return that hat where you see him.
Take your cap by force. I dey comot cap, you dey comot cap. I'm commoting cap, you are commoting cap. We dey discuss issue, I comot cap, you comot cap.
I said talk when in talk am. Talk for the campaign when in talk am.
No before campaign in talk am.
Talk am.
No before campaign in talk am.
Where and when?
Sweet mountain Nigerians.
Talk and that way don't talk. Wait, don't say he no go. Wait, don't change mind for.
Now things don't dey change.
Person never enter government. You don't dey kick against them. Hey Jehovah, God.
If you enter kitchen when they use firewood cook, now from the door now heat go don begin to catch you.
So
they are already feeling the heat.
They are not feeling
the heat. They don't begin to change their mouth.
Their government will not be like this present government. You also know that because already you are beginning to embrace the new government that will be coming into power.
Because they are surrounded by some people that we know.
Chukudi,
person be governor for 8 years.
Let him come into power first, and let us see how far.
He can't suddenly get money.
We know the job.
And then they talk about asset declaration.
May we see the action of the individual himself.
How we go see the action of the individual?
You go see now.
Which people wey sabi Oga Goodluck Jonathan. Then they come and they talk say Oga Jonathan a good man, but na bad people surround am. How can you be surrounded by corrupt people? And we expect to see anything.
We don't know the kind of product, the kind of product where this Mohammed Buhari will unleash to Nigerians. When I mean good product we say by the time they place them for strategic position as ministers and other offices, you go see quick work, you go see quick action, you go see that is rapid development.
Quick action when they enter their bank account.
When they affect the country at large.
Quick action when they enter only their pocket. We don't see people. They are in the public domain. They are in the public eye. People, I go mention them for years. I go mention them for years. I go mention them for years.
Mention.
I tell you of the person when be governor for 8 years. How much governor they collect as salary? We don't know.
The person still in the political office now.
After he come up for political office, he can suddenly get money.
He hold any political office.
Which money he take get? Where he
hold any political office.
Monkey hand dey inside.
Samuel, tell me whether monkey hand dey inside or not. Samuel is calling out from Ondo. Good morning, Samuel.
Good morning, Kubi. How are you?
Are they fine?
Shukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Samuel. Are they vex?
Vex.
I beg, no vex.
I know are they vex. How could be going to tell me all this thing? On top of this show.
Talk. Right on, we dey hear you.
You see, this matter when they talk. Especially the matter will come up yesterday, will be Thursday. Say, Oga President say, make everybody will be a minister declare assets. And as they come out of office, making declare assets again. Even yesterday I call. I see they tell you say, Sukudi, you go take body rubber. Now it's just small thing. Now the two things where Oga President they talk. And you know say Oga President they in control. Are you getting it? So there is check and balances in this government. You know, say Nigeria say now change they want, and the change don't come.
Yes.
I don't know why you see the people now for body.
Abi,
Make una just wait as Oga President do am. Hello?
you are with you.
No, na just take body hold am. Oga President go do am.
Yes.
And the matter for Ekiti State, where the Ayo Fire say matter. We will see the talk say that man, he entered that place, Urukuruku, we will know him. They get the point, so Sukudi. He entered that place, Urukuruku, but we will know say one day he go see Komodia because this is an era of eradication of Urukuruku things. They get the point. So, now these two matters.
Thank you very much,
Oga Samuel.
Thank you very, very much.
The people when they follow am when they do kurukere movement unko. The people when they follow am when they do kurukere movement unko.
Which are these people?
We know them.
Mention.
Obasi from Sokoto go tell us. Oga Obasi, good morning, sir.
Oga Obasi, good morning.
Hello.
Oga Obasi, we dey hear you.
We dey hear you, Gary.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obasi.
Today's quarrel, is they too high, oh?
Why you come out to sit my car?
This is your cap. Let me come out your cap.
Is they too high, oh?
Right on, Oga Obasi.
Make una they do am turn by turn so that we could hear waiting each person they talk.
Okay, no
Okay,
Allah.
sir.
You see, I want Nigerian people to know that democracy is not the same thing as the military. And Buhari, you need to go for training, democratic training. This time around.
Wait, don't acquire already.
Acquire waiting for where?
This time around, it's not a military regime where you say, attention, standard is, obey before the last order. If him to not take time, he could be impeached too. We have intelligent guys in the house. If it to take the thing, they will impeach him. It's a matter of getting 2/3 of the house. We're not going to get president again. So people they say, he go drive now and come out for road. Others say, he go drive a bait where they fly. Mosquito not go bite anybody. May they help the man who load too much for him. Load too much. So and it's not a question of if you wake up one day, you just say, I sack somebody like this. You understand?
Yes.
My advice to him now, he should be careful with his cabinet. The people where they behind him. Monkey hand, they don't surround him now. Before you know it, they don't corrupt the center. So I'm wishing him well on that seat. And I want to see action. Fast. Like Chibok now. He can start suggesting something. He's already the president-elect.
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi. Thank you for your contribution. Thank you.
Oga Obasi, you don't make very, very important points. Very, very important point.
Who talk say no dey important?
I will still start.
Who talk say no dey important?
All the people who don't call today, they are emphasizing on my point.
Are emphasizing on whose point?
My point.
Come on, will you sit down there or stand up either way? Why would you say they are emphasizing on your point? The person that called from Ondo, what did he say?
Samuel from Ondo.
Samuel from Ondo, what did he say? Hold on, we can still get Matthew. Oga Matthew, they call us from KD, Kaduna. Good morning, Matthew. Good morning, Oga Matthew. Matthew, you there?
Matthew. How many times you go call his name? Matthew. Good morning, Matthew. You don't pursue him now. Person when we say they call from Kaduna to give us strong points about this point when they raise. Matthew. They cause confusion. The same thing will happen. You not go begin to feel the heat. May 29. See him for here now. You don't reach already. You go see him. We need strong institutions. Not be by mouth. Not be by eye service or by lip service. Show us action.
Will you keep quiet?
Keep which quiet?
Because you've been launching this attack on me.
Keep who's quiet.
But the first thing, you just seized my cap. The first now, you don't allow verbal attack on me.
Surrounded by people of shady character. You don't surrounded by people of shady character.
Respect yourself.
We know this.
Respect yourself.
Start from home. Charity begins at home.
Charity begins at home. Now we don't see under this government, Abi.
What do you see?
Now we don't see under this government,
The same
Abi.
government where Amechi is part of. The same government where
I think no say Amechi no work for his state.
Oh.
He no work.
As which government?
Wasn't he effective?
As the governor of which party?
Forget.
Nigerians, can you see?
No.
You want us to forget now?
Don't bring that in.
You want us to forget now?
Don't bring that in. Chubuzo, I beg, good morning. And then, at least, just judge to this matter. Chubuzo, good morning.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you, Chubuzo.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chibuzo.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Chubuzo.
From what this always like this, I mean,
I beg, Chubuzo, if you raise your voice more, raise them up small.
When I talk with this matter will be like this, we are supposed to understand that the same government they rule us for Nigeria.
Oh.
Every government that the number one president who don't get it, they don't work, he don't do the better work.
Thank you, Chibuzo. You don't hear him?
Now, I don't see no alarm to do the work. Then check him now. Okay, now why go stay enter seat? See the people where they are around them. I think people will come around good but we don't give them a chance. Now if they want to support good government. Okay, now tell me this Buhari government no go spoil.
No. Person will never enter government. How don't they anticipate say, don't they assume say whether he go spoil or not?
No, based on the people who surround him.
He no go
Based on the people who surround him.
Hold on, Chubuzo, he no go spoil.
Government like this, now the same people there around Buhari.
Okay, thank you very much, Chubuzo, for your contribution. But based on what Chubuzo talk now, make him enter power. Now, no go, person never enter room. Now, don't they do it. Now, don't they kick against and say he must not enter this room. Let him enter that room to see what if he will not bring peace to that room.
Una don't condemn the last 16 years when PDP don't rule.
Yes.
Thank you. Out of
And
that,
very
excuse
soon,
me, sir.
the last 16 years is about to witness a resounding change.
And out of that last 16 years, who ruled the first 8?
What do you mean?
Who ruled the first 8 now?
People now.
Who ruled the first 8? Who be the person who ruled the first 8? Who in the frolic with now? Who in there with now? That is what we are talking about, Nigerians. To show action and show movement, we need to see her. Simple. You talk say people no rule well. Somebody rule 8 years. Now you don't become our best friend. Nigerians, can you see?
We are talking about the individual, not person where can they come body with her. The individual himself is what we are talking about.
Make we take Sunday from local.
Yes, let us take Sunday from local.
Sunday, abeg, use your mouth, Chook, for inside this matter. I will hear you.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning, Sunday.
You see, Oga Kubi, I direct this thing to you.
Okay, they hear.
What you did there, you say, any change will come see tomorrow. Any better thing will come see tomorrow. Now the better way Oga do not going to today.
Foundation, yes, foundation.
This government differs.
The government differs. Allow him to talk.
Because let I tell you, Oga Kubi, let me talk. You see, you know one thing, they say, this country, we know they like see each other progress. This man, they work hard. Forget say bad people, they surround them, but you see they try their best to make sure say this country no spoil. This country in our own, make you no do anyhow. But una the opposition, una just the misuse, just the mistalk. Okay, now we don't give una a chance now. Una promise when I don't make say una go make dollar equal to naira. Now you never reach up to you never reach up to 6 months to una don't begin change mouth say
he never come out.
Thank you.
Una I dey follow paper where I dey follow media.
Thank you, Oga Sunday. Thank you.
So all this thing when I dey try talk, so you know the line no. Make una come back when I come follow the good step for Oga Jonathan take and make you remove those monkey and the way they surround that. If not, make I tell you, Isu go continue to the sour.
Thank you.
And we will go continue to the complain.
Thank you.
Oga Sunday, thank you very much for that
reply to wetin Oga Sunday don't talk.
Say wetin, and I come dey talk say look, the individual is the primary person and the individual will define how his government will be. We know say we get people around that, but just hold on and let's see if that change wey we don seek for whether they will come. Engineer Ganiu, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Engineer Ganiu.
Good morning.
Yes.
Yeah, I want to contribute to the program.
Yes, we hear you.
Ukubi and the other man.
Chukudi.
Well done to the program.
Thank you, sir.
I'm enjoying your program.
Thank you,
sir.
See, I want to tell you about Tinubu because you are always hammering on Tinubu. before democracy in Nigeria, Tinubu only him single-handedly funding Adecos.
No be only single-handedly.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Engineer Ganiu.
Hold on.
Engineer Ganiu.
Hold on, let him talk.
Let me talk.
Thank you, right on.
Tinubu on his own sponsor the Nadecos, take them from shore of this country, outside this country, which Tinubu is not a poor man. Let me tell you, before ever coming to government, I don't know Tinubu from Adams. I have never seen him before. But I'm just to clear your mind about Tinubu that you are always saying he's a former governor, he's with Buhari, he's still money, he do this. Tinubu have money before ever coming to the governor of Lagos State.
Right out there.
So let you get clear of that. Tinubu, this time around, Tinubu is not looking for money, but he's looking for a good name. And also the president-elect, Buhari. So all of them around him want a good name. See, since the year of Papa Awo in Lagos, in Yoruba here, Sadana of Kano, which other person have you here that you can connect to that have a good name like that? This is the same time now. New Awolowo is coming from Yoruba here, and Buhari is coming from the north. Only I have not seen anybody from the east that wants to join this fray now. So, and compared with the violence of election, yes, everywhere we know in Nigeria, violence here and there. All over the APC state where APC won the election. Have you heard people die in Lagos State that you are? How many people die for the violence of election? You can hear how many people die in Rivers State, in Imo State, Abia State, even where the governorship election is not taking place there, in Anambra. So, we are all here in Nigeria, and we know what is happening here.
Thank you very much, Ogagani.
Even in the Ekiti state that you are talking about, there's a video where the military were rigging the election, top printing. Yesterday, I'm a Yoruba man. I speak Igbo, I hear. I was passing in the market. You know, one guy was just telling the other man that he's busy pressing for PDP. Pressing for PDP. It's not just one vote. Well, I voted. It's just one for the governor, one for the state House of Assembly.
Yes.
Two
Thank you very much,
papers,
Ogagani.
which I pressed. So
thank you very much for that contribution.
Tinubu is not a rogue.
Yes,
He's
thank
a
you.
good man of our time. Respect him.
Thank you very, very much.
Ogagani, make I come address wetin you don't talk. Nobody they talk say him be bad man. Nobody they talk say wetin him do no they correct. And for you to come they tell us say na him single-handedly form Nadeco. That's a fallacious statement. History don't provide us with information to take no. May 15th, 1994, na him form Nadeco. What is the primary reason of forming Nadeco? The primary reason of forming Nadeco na Nigerian Democrats, irrespective of where they come from, to fight for the mandate of Chief MKO Abiola. When you come begin to tell us say na one person form Nadeco, saying get money before you enter government, that is really very, very wrong.
Okay, fine. It is a good thing
that
you corrected
really
that
very, very wrong.
It was a collective.
I won't
it
put
was
that
a collective. Hold on.
Make it know.
You don't prove it now. What again? It is a collective will to do it to fight a particular system.
Chief Cornelius Adebayo, Franco Kori,
hold on.
even Professor Wale Soyinka, because if people come and support that.
Let us go for this break.